Hakuna Matata, Uttagam Bongume.
கவலை ஏதுமில்லை தொல்லை நீ இல்லை.
Hi cuties, today we are going to learn about Microsoft Excel 2010. You may wonder why is it having a long name. Now let's see the meaning. Microsoft is a software company which was founded by Bill Gates. This company has introduced a lot of applications like PowerPoint, Word, Outlook, etc. for different purposes. Excel. There is a small reason behind this word. First, the spreadsheet program was called as Multiplan. Multiplan was unfortunately losing to another spreadsheet program called as Lotus 123. So the name Excel was given to create an impression that it can do everything Lotus 123 does, but exceptionally better. 2010 indicates the year in which the version was introduced. Now the latest version is 2019. Let's see the uses of Excel. Excel is mostly used for business to record expenses, incomes, plan budgets, calculate tax, etc. We also use it in schools for attendance, mark sheet, report cards, timetables, etc. The interesting feature of Excel is that we can create graphical representations like charts, graphs, bar diagrams, pie diagrams, etc. How to launch Microsoft Excel? Click the Start button at the bottom left corner of the desktop. Click on All Programs from the list. All programs will display all the software programs installed in your computer. Click on Microsoft Office folder. This folder will contain all the Microsoft applications. Now, click on Microsoft Excel 2010. Once you click this, you will open to a page that looks just like your Max classwork. As a book contains pages, an Excel workbook also contains pages. They are called as spreadsheets or worksheets. Spreadsheets are made up of rows and columns. Before we see about rows and columns, take a look at this picture of a classroom. The children are seated in horizontal and vertical lines. The same way, data in an Excel are arranged horizontally and vertically. The horizontal arrangement of data are called as rows, and the vertical arrangement of data are called as columns. Each row has a heading, which is a row number, and every column has a heading called as a column letter. There are 1,048,576 rows, which are numbered from 1 to 1,048,576 rows. There are 16,384 columns named from A to XFD. Now, the meeting place or intersection of a row and a column is called as a cell. In simple words, it is a rectangle formed by a row and a column. We all have unique names. Some of our names are based from the meanings taken from Holy Scriptures, or we also have some other reasons. Cells also have a name. This name is based on the cell address. Now, what is a cell address? Cell address is the location of the cell in a particular row and column. So, the cell address will have a row number and a column letter. When we click a cell, its cell address is seen on the name box, which is above the column headings. The cell address of this particular one displayed on the screen is C4. because it belongs to the fourth row in the column C. Let's recap what we learned in this video. Microsoft Excel 2010 is a spreadsheet program. A spreadsheet is a file made up of rows and columns. Rows are horizontal arrangement of data which run from left to right. Columns are vertical arrangement of data that runs from top to bottom. There are 1,048,576 rows and 16,384 columns. The intersection of a row and a column is called a cell. Each cell has a unique address consisting of a column letter and a row number. The cell address is displayed in the name box. If you understood the Excel basics, like this video to motivate us.